filmed a plane on takeoff over here before. Kind of cool. Man, I had no idea the takeoffs were that fast. The other plane left like a minute ago. Here's this Air Canada. You just happened to be sitting here on this bench just to take a break and pooped. That's pretty cool. About that. The wind and the cold affects the lens. The sharpness, the focus, I mean. Oh, the sharpness. Oh, baby! Out of focus, great. Yeah, man. It's a spaceship. See, one of these days I'm going to zoom in on one of these aircrafts that are flying like 36,000 feet up. Air Transat on landing approach. Oh, that's TAP Airlines. Portuguese. Portugal. Qatar Airways. Nice. Is that a Falcon? we have here? Oh, Star Alliance A340, baby, and a dying breed, a 4-engine plane. Dying breed in this part of the world. Take too much fuel, especially now. Oh, that's a good catch. Right on, baby. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I think it's a KLM. I do miss those MD-11s though. They were kind of special, you know. Engine in the rear, originally made by McDonnell Douglas, known as a DC-10. This is nice. It's nice. Nice livery. A330. Hang on, Andre. Hang on. Oh, Air France. Air France. 777. I believe that's a 3. Yeah. Hang on a second there, bud. Just a second there. Just filming an AC plane here. Big AC plane. AC, not like AC Cobra. Swiss Air. Not bad though, eh? Filming this from a bus shelter. That's Air Algeria, I think. 767. And just like that, it was gone. Barely got it. Damn, they take off fast. Oh, look at that timing. I just got here and here's a KLM A330. Wow. That's awesome, because before all day the winds were blowing from the west. I would never have gotten this. Damn, that's cool. I just got here. Sweet. Oh, look at that. More great timing. And the rain on top of that. Everything's better in the rain. Great background. Oh, I almost blew it on that one. Shit. I almost blew. What is that? China Airways? Okay, it's a 767 Air Canada Rouge. Rouge! Quebec plane. Yeah, man. Winds have definitely picked up from a few hours ago where there was none. Oh, almost missed that big bastard. Air France in the rain.